Starting your business on Amazon, looking for the right product to sell? Well, I know how hard and difficult it is to choose a product, which is arguably the most important element of succeeding on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step process of how you can utilize tools to get you more information that can give you the right answers to choosing and selecting the products that you want to sell. Let's get going. So why are tools important? You can get all of the information that you want by doing manual research. However, tools make things go faster. That's the whole idea and reason behind using a tool. And I'm going to use Helium 10 because it currently operates in the UAE as well as several other marketplaces where most of our audience actually lives and sells. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you want to learn a little bit more about all of our projects, all of our membership, all of our programs, you'll find all of the information in the description box of this video. You'll also find a way where you can sign up and get the latest free masterclass to learn a little bit more about Amazon and how the process actually works. Now, the most important part of choosing a product to sell on Amazon is ensuring that the product is in demand. That's how you can minimize risk. The whole concept of selling on Amazon is that you should not be worrying where the customers are coming from. Rather, you know that on this website called Amazon, there is a lot of demand for particular products. You just need to find that product, find the demand and ensure that it's up to your level or what you are searching for as a seller, and make sure that you're able to sell whatever product these customers are searching for. Basically, it falls under a long list of criteria such as it's not fragile, it's not very heavy and bulky, lots of things that I'm sure you've heard of before, but all of that needs to be under demand. So you need to ensure that whatever product you want to sell, whether you find it in a store or you find it on Amazon, is something that people are actually searching for, and you don't need to worry about creating external demand for that particular product. The second thing that you can do on Amazon, which is very unique to selling online, is that you can check what other sellers are doing. Now, be mindful of the fact that if you are selling on newer marketplaces such as the UAE or KSA, for example, you need to understand that sellers in those marketplaces are also new sellers. So you might find the product that has huge demand, however, the sellers aren't getting great sales. You need to look a little bit further into that. You need to look a little bit deeper into that. Why are sellers not getting sales? Are they not performing up to the level and standards that Amazon customers expect? Are the listings not properly created, not enough images, not enough information? So is that the reason why? Which would be a fantastic thing, because you're potentially finding lots of demand that is not being met by current sellers, which is exactly what you want. So I would suggest that you look at the seller's results, but ensure that you look a little bit deeper just to make sure that you're actually analyzing correctly. Now, let's jump on the computer and let me show you how you can use a tool such as Helium 10 to make things a little bit easier so that you can find all of this information that I just talked about relatively easy, so that you don't have to do the manual search. So there are many ways to search for a product on Amazon. Of course, one of the best ways is to simply log into Amazon and look at the bestsellers list. Bestsellers list, basically, these are the bestsellers of each and every main category, also each and every subcategory. But also there are a lot of cool other pages that most people don't search on, which are the new releases, movers and shakers, and most wished for. Let's check out the movers and shakers page. The great thing about the movers and shakers page is that you can see the increase in rank. So as an example, this product, which is something related to a car, the sales rank of this listing has increased to 38, meaning an increase of 53%. So there's something to, well, this is a very specific type of product. However, for other things, there would be something interesting to check and see why. Is it something seasonal, or is it just like a really good product and you can sell something similar to that product? Now, let's look at this type of product. Let's look at this in the kitchen container. It is a good mover and shaker. The sales rank of this product is currently 289,
which is not bad, but it's also important to see other sellers in the category to figure out the demand. Before I show you how you can search for the overall demand for the product, I want to give you a really, really cool tip. So the problem with this product is that it's being sold internationally from the US. But let's look at something else and I can give you a good idea. So let's use glass canisters. As you can see, we're getting a lot of options. Some of them are ads and some of them are not. The easiest way to know what the search volume and the demand for this product is to use the Helium 10 drop-down extension and use X-ray. So these are the products that are advertised. Next to them, SP, sponsored. You can remove them or you can just ignore them. And you can check exactly what's happening with each and every product that is not advertised. You can see the sales, you can see their revenue. Of course, these are estimated numbers, so you need to look at them and analyze a little bit further. One additional thing, so for glass canisters, I'm getting search volume not available. So what could be the number one keyword for this product? Could it be glass storage jar? Let's click on this listing, which is obviously a listing that's doing very well. Let's look at the BSR of this particular product. As you can see, the BSR is 18, so it is doing quite well. Now, what we can do is we can check the keywords that this product is currently listing or this product is currently ranked for. We can just simply click Run Listing Analyzer. You can check out the analysis of all of the listing and all of its information. And you can just basically check how many keywords it's ranking for, what the total search volume of all of those keywords. So 401 keywords, top 10 keywords, 41 on this listing. Not bad at all. The total search volume that this listing is getting is 10,299. And that's based on the 401 keywords. Let's see the full list of keywords. Of course, if you don't have Helium 10, you can just simply do this manually and you can check. It's very clear from this seller that they are focused on glass storage jar being their number one keyword since they have it in the main title. So we're looking now at what Cerebro is giving for this particular product. And search volume is what we're looking for. So the number one keyword that this product is ranking for that has the highest search volume is actually kitchen storage. Food container being number 2, cutting board being number 3. However, cutting board is definitely not a relevant keyword for this product. Storage organizer and some other keywords. So for that, I would use kitchen storage as my main search volume to analyze the demand. One additional thing that you can do is basically if you find a seller that's selling a really good product and the product is either selling very well or it's bestseller or if it's Amazon choice, one additional thing that you can do is you can check the actual seller's store, because at the end of the day, if the seller is doing well with one product, they also might be doing well for others. This way, you can just find some additional products that might probably not be on your radar currently. So also, you go into the store, you do the drop down from Helium 10, you do an X-ray for all of the products that are in the seller's store. You find one that's interesting, such as this lunchbox that's selling 230 units a month. It's actually the best-selling product for that seller, much better than the food containers. And they do have other food containers, which are these food containers that are selling 129, much better than the glass containers that we just found. So now we found an additional product that we can analyze.
If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video. Like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out Helium 10. Use the code Crystal20 or Crystal10 to get 20% off or 10% off. Link all of the information in the description box like always. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.